Demeter, the sacred guardian of agriculture and goddess of abundance. Demeter is known in ancient Greek mythology as the sacred guardian of agriculture and the goddess of abundance. The fertility of the soil, the cycle of seasons, and the livelihoods of humans are greatly influenced by her. The story of Demeter is deeply connected to these significant themes and reflects a profound understanding of humanity's basic needs. Birth and family. Demeter was born as the daughter of Cronus and Rhea. She has a daughter named Persephone from her relationship with her brother Zeus. Demeter is often depicted with symbols of fertility such as sheaves of wheat and agricultural tools. Sacred guardian of agriculture. Demeter is revered as the sacred guardian of agriculture and the earth. Under her influence, the earth becomes fertile and abundant. Demeter's protection is necessary for the growth of crops, the cycle of seasons, and the sustenance of human life. Persephone and the cycle of seasons. One of Demeter's most famous stories involves the abduction of her daughter Persephone by Hades. Demeter's grief plunges the world into the winter season, with the earth becoming barren and infertile. However, with Persephone's return, Demeter joyously revitalizes the earth, heralding the arrival of spring. Abundance and rituals. Various rituals were performed in honor of Demeter to ensure the abundance of the earth and the success of agriculture. Prayers and offerings were made to Demeter during harvest times and planting seasons. These rituals underscored the sacredness of agriculture as a divine activity. Worship and cult. In ancient Greece, Demeter was held in high esteem. Temples and altars dedicated to her were places of worship, and prayers were offered to her to secure the prosperity of agricultural communities. The Temple of Demeter in Eleusis was one of the most important temples dedicated to her. Conclusion. Demeter holds great significance in ancient Greek mythology as the sacred guardian of agriculture and the goddess of abundance. Her story emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature and preserving the fertility of the land. The tales of Demeter reflect the deep connection between the balance of nature and human life.